Hi, today we want to model a hook spring. If you want to learn it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and this is the Prime Engineering channel. Let's get to work. New, select part. In the curve section, I select helix and spiral. I select top plane and I draw a circle. With a smart dimension, I define the diameter. After exiting the sketch, I have the helix spiral window to define helix parameters. I select front plane and I go to sketch. I draw a line. Then I draw a tangent arc. This point and the origin should be vertical. I repeat this process one more time. Under curves, I select composite curve and I select everything. This will join all of our curves. I select front plane and I go to sketch. I draw a circle half of the pitch above the origin. I select swept boss base. I select the circle and for the path I select the composite curve. Then I select bidirectional. And we are done. Thanks for watching.